It is time for break number 8 on our Gold Rush Series 7 autographed mini football helmet. So we're getting down to just a couple boxes left in this case. Got a ton of quarterbacks in here. This is a pick your team break, so all 32 teams were listed at TennskinBreaks.com. So some big names that you can find in here from Brady and Mahomes, Josh Allen. You got Herbert, Aaron Rodgers, Jordan Love. I mean, there's a ton of quarterbacks. And we're due for a big quarterback name out of this case. So let's see if we can pull it out of here. All right, so tape and seal on the top and bottom. All right, we've got an Eagle Midnight Eclipse. Is it going to be a Carmichael? No, who is that? A Dick Vermeil. Nice. Coaching legend. Hall of Fame 2022 inscribed. So nice one there for the Eagles. That's going to be going out to Rick. Rick J with the hit on the mini helmet. So Rick, congratulations, man. We'll get that helmet in the mail to you tomorrow. We'll get another mini helmet loaded up, and we'll break it coming up next Sunday night.